亲爱的同学们，我是小雅老师。城市生活、乡村生活，你更喜欢哪一个呢？今天我们来谈论一下这个话题。Live in the city or in the country? Some people like living in the city because city life has many advantages. They think there are more job opportunities in cities, and life there is more interesting than that in the country.In addition, there are more modern conveniences in cities for people to use, but some other people prefer to live in the country. They say life in the country is closer to nature and better for their health, and life there is quieter. I would like to live in the city when I'm young, because I need a good job, and I would like to live in the country when I'm old.Because I can have a quiet life there. 你到底喜欢城市生活还是乡村生活呢？把你的想法告诉小雅老师，在评论区下方写出来吧。喜欢小雅老师，双击加关注，每天一起学英语。